spoilers of Saho. Most of the people talked about the action sequences.
The hunt is on, true aim is clear, my trail becoming.
So we needed that time and that kind of a work in the prep only to enhance the action sequences.
And I think it just was only the 2 trucks are in the shot. If we need to increase or decrease the speed.
When I went to Abu Dhabi, I went to the Godown. The team has created a factory there. A lot of trucks have been built, almost like 30 cars and 4 trucks.
It was a madness of 42 days of madness over there.
And they said like these are all going to crash. And the same sequence we shot in Italy and Hyderabad also.
We have a action sequence called 100 Men sequence. Like there are like 100 fighters who took part of that action sequence. Very tough for us to shoot because there's like huge storms actually pass by when the action happens. We had like big profilers, on set, like 3-4 running all the time. It was so big that all the wind was blowing so hard on the actors, and we were shooting in Phantom and all. It was really, really tough to shoot. My favorite sequence, we named it as Europe Gunfight. Action and love are like 2 different genres normally, but I always wanted an action and like love, to be part of one sequence. To shoot this particular sequence, we needed someone who can actually choreograph the action like dance moves.
Ping and Bob Brown choreographed the action scene. It's designed on the sound, and I think it's one of the most interesting scenes. I think it has a lot of style and
The way they prepped for the whole sequence, we saw all the previews, what they have done, and made like a cool sequence. Every shot in the action actually drives the story forward. The drama portion of Saho, we completed it pretty fast, like almost like some 50-60 days we wrapped the whole drama portion. Since it's a multilingual project, we had Tamil, Telugu and Hindi scripts all together with us.
పొద్దునే బియరా సుభాష్ బియర్
We have to spend so much time on visualizing the whole action of Saho. The toughest part was actually visualizing all these things, so I thought it was pretty much done. We met the best action guy in the world. Like I met him, I had the previews with me, so I showed it to him. Like he pretty much loved the whole sequence. This particular sequence, which comes in the second half, like pre-climax of the second half, was really challenging for us. We shot it in Abu Dhabi and it was almost 48 degrees over there. That's the most challenging thing I faced in Saho, shooting the Abu Dhabi portion. End of the day, for any project to actually take it to a next level, you need to have a best technician. So the first name we had was like Madhi sir. He has done the best fine work in his whole movie. So like really amazing, and he always doesn't stop to experiment himself.
Madhi sir gave a new color to the film.
Amrita Nair, Crime Branch.
He used two cameras in different formats. For the wide shots, he used a different format, and for the close-ups, he used a different format.
Whole film, Madhi also has done a tremendous job. It's a fantastic job. In fact, he has enhanced my work to the next level actually.
And next was the Sabu serial, sir. We started trying to get a pattern for the movie. So Madhi sir and Sabu sir, we kind of tried to divide the whole movie, and so that because this story happened parallelly, the way he built the sets, the way he designed the whole Vaji portions, were really, really amazing.
We made cars, we made trucks, we made tankers. I think I have done around 98 setups of things actually. And other than that, there are a lot of small setups which we did. In actual locations also we changed a little bit.
Then talking about the VFX supervisor of Saho, Kamal Kannan sir, we needed to enhance the whole sequence.
Some 27 visual effects studios worldwide are working on this project.
When we thought of building Vaji,
నువ్వు వాజీ సిటీ గురించి విన్నావు కదా. It's called the dangerous city of powerful gangsters.
we had miniatures, we had real footages, and we shot something in real.
Regarding Vaji City, the director was very clear. He gave us good references. This kind of it should not look like other cities worldwide. He is very clear on that.
And Kamal Kannan was so supportive, and he was almost part of every pre-production stage.
And the most of the story is happening on the 5 key buildings in the city. The number of VFX shots as far as Saho is concerned is 1700 VFX shots, which is not huge, but 1700 VFX shots spread across 60 scenes, then it is huge.
Jetman is one of the exciting sequences in the film. Sabu sir created the Jetman and the colors and all.
Jetman exists. In Dubai there is the Jetman, Dubai is there. We had the basic reference of that. We wanted to bring it into our world.
And Kamal sir is one of the highlight for this sequence. Sujit, he spent almost 3-4 years for the film, and he was never worried about the time because he's like Saho. He wanted to do his best, and we have Srikhar Prasad sir who got national award, Sabu Sil, Kamal, Madhi sir. So many people were there, and he was managing and talking to them and convincing them and listening to them. Learned a lot from them, and we have one of the biggest actors in the country and the world's biggest technicians to manage and understand and make them understand what he wants. It's not a joke. I think for his age, he's a little too smart, I feel.
Camera